Hi everybody, welcome to another beautiful episode of the Chess Game Show. I'm Dr. Jovita, your chess doctor, and your amazing host. And you know how we do it right here. 3 questions, 1 general question, possibly from the World Chess Federation, 1 from the board, and 1 from our beautiful Nigerian Chess Federation. Very easy. If you know the game of chess, then you should be right here playing with me. Okay, so you know how we do it our fans play. If you were not part of it, then you missed out. Okay, that was last week's fans play question. It's right on your screen. 1 winner every week. Very simple. And this week we're going to have fans play, but it's going to be somewhere within the show. I won't tell you when, so you have to stay glued and watch till you see the fans play question. Our guest for the day is no other person than welcome, Mr. Eric. Eric, how are you doing?
Fine.
Great. So how long have you been playing chess?
Since 2010.
2020 with this, that's roughly about 13 years.
Yes, but I've not really been consistent with this stuff.
Okay, what do you think are the major challenges when it comes to being consistent in chess?
Being consistent with chess.
Why have you not been consistent with chess? You've been playing off and on, off and on.
I would love to play chess professionally, like earn from chess. If I play for a while and there's no income coming from it,
So you get this
I
story.
take a break.
So basically, the major challenge that comes with being consistent with chess actually is the fact that it doesn't pay your bills, it doesn't pay anybody's bills actually.
Yes, exactly.
So it has to be like a side hustle
Yes.
or something for leisure. Okay, do you think there's any other way you feel they can improve that? Because I know I've heard that 1,000,001 times. A lot of persons get to complain that we play chess, it doesn't pay the bills. Why should I leave my work? And for me, it's going to take a while for me to leave my clinic to go and play chess. But I'm sure it's not going to pay the bills. I just do it for leisure. So,
One, funding from governments, sponsorship from
private sector.
private sector.
Okay. We hope that works anyway. But till then, we are back to the game show. Come back to the game show. Let's leave their chess and the consistency to themselves. So, you know how we do it. We have 3 questions. 1 from the World Chess Federation, which is a general chess question basically. Secondly, the one from the board, which is what you play on a daily basis. And the third one, something related to the Nigerian Chess Federation, whether it's Nigerian chess itself or the federation generally. Okay, so our first question is this. The president of the World Chess Federation is from which country? The president of the World Chess Federation is from which country? A. Russia, B. Uzbekistan, C. China, and D. France.
I think it has to be between Russia and
Russia and
probably Russia.
why Russia? Are you guessing? Is it that you're sure? Are you assuming?
I'm not sure.
So you just pick Russia because it's the first option, like this in this case. So most times they just put it as a
Go with Russia.
Okay, great. Russia is actually very correct. And that was trial by error. Because I'm very sure you didn't know that. Okay, so we'll get the second question. Have you heard of a bank rank mate before? Back rank mate.
Yes.
Okay, great. So a back rank mate occurs on which of these ranks? A 8, B 6, C 3, and D 4. So basically this mate occurs commonly on one of the ranks I mentioned.
The 8th rank, last rank, that's when 2 rooks come back. And the last rank is the 8th rank.
Okay, great. And that's correct. Okay, back rank means occur whether on the 8th rank or the first rank.
You can say it occurs on the first rank if it's white.
Yes,
If it's white, but if it's black, it's on the 8th rank. That
exactly.
means the last rank.
Yes, it has to be either rank 1 or rank 8. But I did put 1 on the option, so it has to be 8
Each rank.
represents. Okay, correct. That's correct. Now the third question, this is Nigeria related, and I will be glad if you guess it. Who is the highest rated Nigerian female chess player as at January 2023? The highest rated Nigerian female chess player as at January 2023.
Perpetual.
A. Joy Onoja. B. Perpetual Obiyoyo. C. Torishe Ofowino. And D. Ella Enoma.
I think it's B. Perpetual.
Obiyoyo. Why do you say so? Are you sure? Are you guessing? Is that the most common name? Did you see it somewhere?
I'm not guessing. I think.
Or the name has been ringing bell everywhere because practically everybody like it's been ringing bell in your ears.
I think I've read about her. She plays for in Uniport.
Yeah, she played for Sweden Court. Yes, and
I
then
go with B.
we'll go with the pressure. Okay, that's actually very correct. Actually, yes, very, very correct. And all of them are actually very good, amazing chess players. Amazing chess player. I think 3 out of I've placed 3 out of 4 of them. They are really very great chess players, trust me. But before we go, the first question is coming on your screen now. One winner every week. Very simple. So the question for the day. So you just send your answer, comment your answer below, and then you can win amazing prizes from here. Definitely wherever you are. Okay, welcome back. So, Eric, it was nice having you here. Do you have any special advice? Like, okay, so what's your special advice? What advice do you think you're going to give to first-time chess players actually?
Well, the game is fun and it helps in creative thinking. It's patient and perseverance. Anybody can learn chess. Any age, anyone.
Okay. Are there challenges they should anticipate?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. Because for you to play chess, one has to be patient to learn the rules. There's the opening game, middle game, and end game. So at first, they will get beaten over and over again. You shouldn't give up. You should keep on trying. Be patient to enjoy the game.
Interesting. One very good. Have you ever cried after losing the game?
Yeah, many times.
No more. Online, offline, you go home, you cry. I feel so bad.
OTB on the board. I don't cry when I get this.
Okay, but over the board, you go home, you go and think about
Right,
it.
so I feel bad. There's some games I lose and I get back home and I start thinking, why did I miss this game? Get depressed, like stay off chess for some weeks and go back.
Oh man, that's really good. Everyone has that experience. I think I do. I think I've cried more than.
There's some people you don't want to lose to. There are some games you're like, you're not meant to lose this game. Why did you lose this game? You have to go back and analyze and study. Because you have to study to play chess, like to lose.
I get that. I can relate perfectly well actually. So over the board and online, which do you prefer? OTP and over the online?
I feel over the board.
Any special reason?
Yeah, playing online, many factors can come in play and make you to lose. Like let's say you're playing a game, but the network is bad. You can lose on time. Online, you might be doing multiple things like playing. Let's say you're working on your thing, you're not concentrating. Chess requires concentration, like maximum concentration. I prefer playing OTP. I can have a better view and be more concentrated.
So it's with what you've said. I want to believe that it's your rating stands more over the board than online. Like your rating says over the board rating says more about your chess strengths than online. Based on your knowledge, actually, I think that's like a
over the rating, over the board says more, but there are not much federated tournaments being played in the country. Like you're not playing chess for fun, but online being rated. I wish there would be more federated tournaments over the world.
Yeah. Okay, there are actually, but the challenge is not within the southeast. But I know Lagos or the southwest actually has a lot of retail tournaments. So much, so many actually, so many. The closest that I've been to southeast or south, that's in Cross River. That's the closest. Well, probably we'll have to work towards making tournaments, retail tournaments down in the southeast, Enugu, Owerri, Anambra, Abia, or something of that sort. That way, we are on this side can actually get to navigate and then get to operating and all of that. Okay, Mr. Eric, it was really, really nice having you right here. I really appreciate your presence. We'll see you in the next season. But before then, I have a gift for you. And this is from the crew here. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. Okay, I hope to see you next time with another beautiful episode, right? Alright, guys. That's all for this episode. It's been wonderful. It's been amazing. It's been entertaining, right? So, hope to see you guys next week with another beautiful one. Please be a part of it. Fans, please, not so hard, just drop a comment, with the rules and be a part of this, okay? See you guys next week. Enjoy chess and enjoy life. Have a wonderful week.